So you're thinking about moving to Beavercreek, Ohio, and you have a $200,000 budget. Well, you're in the right place today, and I'm gonna prove it to you. I've got 3 houses to look at, one in the low 200s, one in the mid 200s, and of course, one in the high 200s. We are starting our day off here at The Green, which is one of the best places to shop and eat here in all of Dayton. Places like the Cheesecake Factory, Club Oceanos behind me here. Of course, you got the Apple Store back down this way, and a myriad of other places to eat and shop. Great day to look at homes today. It is a beautiful August day, low humidity, low 80s, and it's going to be the perfect day to look at homes in the $200,000 price range. So let's get started. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in Beavercreek, Ohio, make sure hit that subscribe button, tap the little bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the market here in Beavercreek. My name is Mike Wall. My team and I get calls, emails, texts from people just like you every single day who want to learn more about the Beavercreek area, and have to tell you, we absolutely love it. So whether you're making a move in the next 9 days or 90, really doesn't matter. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'd be happy to help you make the smooth move to Beavercreek. All right, here we are at stop number 1. This house, believe it or not, is priced at $200,000. Unbelievable value here in Beavercreek. Subdivision is Highview subdivision, and I'll talk a little bit about the location here in just a minute, but the house was built in 1953. It is a 3-bedroom. There it is behind me here. 1 bath. It's on a slab, 1,144 square feet, which puts it right about $174 a square foot. The lot is over a ½ acre, so it's 0.59. It has a climate-controlled garage, completely remodeled kitchen with Corian countertops and a slate floor. I talked a little bit about the location here in Highview before, but just to give you some context, we are right across the street from the high school. So if you had a son or daughter in the high school here, they could essentially just walk over. We're right down the street from a Kroger marketplace. Unbelievable shopping there. About 10 minutes away from where we were at the Green when we started our tour today, and about 10 minutes up to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. So location here is prime to get to shopping, dining, anything you want to do, and also jump on the highway and be in Cincinnati probably in less than 45 minutes, and in Columbus in less than an hour and 20 minutes. So great location here. We're in Beavercreek at $200,000, unbelievable value. If you have a $200,000 budget in Beavercreek, Ohio, that might be the home for you. Let's go look at another one. All right, here we are at stop number 2 for today. This house is here in Knollview Acres. It is priced at $248,000, built in 1959. It is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home, built on a slab. It's 1,395 square feet, which puts it right at about $178 a square foot. The lot is 0.46, so another very generous sized lot here with a 2-car garage. Here's the home behind me. And it is completely remodeled inside. New luxury vinyl plank, new carpet, stainless steel appliances. This one is ready to go, full brick wrap. As I mentioned before, here in Knollview Acres. Very quiet little neighborhood here. Great location. If you can imagine where we were at our last stop, which was pretty much as far south in Beavercreek, almost as far south in Beavercreek as you can go. We are right smack dab in the middle of Beavercreek right here. So about a 5-minute drive to Fairfield Mall and a 5-minute drive back down to the Green. About 7 to 9 minutes to get to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. So a very, very good location here in Beavercreek. Another thing you'll notice about this area and the area we just came from, these houses, and I've mentioned this in some of our other videos that were built in the 50s, 60s, 70s, and even some in the 80s, the lots are just huge. And some of them are over a ½ acre. And we're talking, we're in the $200,000 range. So you get a lot for your money in terms of lot size. So that's something to keep in mind. If you like an oversized lot and you want more privacy, you can still get into something here in that $200,000 price point and be well within your budget. So again, if you have a $248,000 budget and you live in the Beavercreek area, this one may be the one for you. Let's go look at another one. Okay, here we go. Stop number 3 for today. And I've got a little bit different home for you. This is actually a townhome, so these are all attached, I guess considered a condominium. This particular home is priced at $299,000. It's in the reserves here in Beavercreek. It was built in 2005. This thing is huge. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a full finished basement. 3,036 square feet, so that puts it right around $98 a square foot. It's a 2-story with a 2-car garage, huge bedrooms, great, as I said before, full finished basement, and this is a great place for folks who are either busy professionals or on the go or simply don't want to do a lot of yard work or maintenance. This is a great place to live. If you can think about where we were, our first stop was pretty much as far south as you can go in Beavercreek. Our second stop was right in the middle of Beavercreek, and now we are in the northern tip of Beavercreek. And so the great thing about this location here, as I mentioned before with the other locations, this one is probably 3 minutes from Fairfield Mall and about a 5-minute drive over to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. So Fairfield Mall, a lot of shopping, a lot of dining, great places. I was just over there eating Chipotle yesterday, which is one of my favorite places to eat. And so this is a wonderful location. Again, priced at $299,000. And as I mentioned, 3 houses in the 200s. I did keep this one under $300. It is at $299,900. So if you have a $299,000 budget in Beavercreek, maybe that's your house. If a picture's worth 1,000 words, video must be worth 1,000,000. I do these videos for one reason and one reason only, and that's to educate and inform those of you looking to move into the Beavercreek area and learn a little bit more about this area. My name is Mike Wall. My team and I get calls, emails, and texts from people just like you every single day looking to move into the Beavercreek area and the other Dayton surrounding suburbs, we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to make a move in the next 9 days or 90, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'll be happy to help you make this smooth move to Beavercreek. Thanks again for watching.